What's up, guys? This is the Kraken King, and I want to you, and I've been saving up so we can do a battle. Hit the like button, subscribe, and subscribe to Dogs Are Cute 100. We just need to do a little bit more. Boom. I just need to wait for a minute. So I've been trying to do some more stuff around. I'm trying to get my elixir. It's more like one more day. It's going to be level 10 soon. Wait, level 10? Wow, I think that's the farthest I ever gone. On anything. 1, 9, 2. Bomb. B-O-M-E. Okay, I have to stop. B-O-M-B. Bomb. 3. Yeah, I think that's the farthest I ever got. 9. Actually, no, 10. 10, yeah. I have a level 10 on the money. How could I forget that? Level 9. That's going to be level 10. Come on, hurry up. Right now I got some barbarians, some wall breakers, a couple wizards, and 2 balloons. How much wizards do I have? Let's look. 10. I have 10 wizards, 11 bombs, bombman, barbarian, 37, 73 barbarians. So 70 barbarians, level 3. 10 wizards, level 2. 11 bombers, and 2 balloons. Nope. I think we're ready. Let's attack. Let's start attacking. Excuse me again. These are really excellent bases, but I just don't. I don't think I have the great stuff. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Okay. Okay, that's just a trolling base. Ooh, he is a barbarian king. I never took on one. Live in loot? No, bad base, but loot. Bad base. I need to get an air sweeper. Not one air sweeper. Ooh! Okay. Okay. Let's attack. We need to destroy their motor. We might win this. Sorry, I've been silent. Where's that? Oh, Hero right there. Right here. Probably will lose. I hope he goes to the, not to the Elder Barracks, not the Elixir, because then he's just dead. Oh. I think that'll be it. No. I do want to. Yeah, I want to do it different. Yeah, wait. I just want to see how good the space will be, so. Save. Save. This was my first ever base. Sorry guys, I'm getting silent. Let me find where to put this. I'll put that there. Put that there. And put that there. I think I actually like this one, so I'm going to save. And sit at. Because this could almost see everything, if not that. See, like all that. I'm just going to keep it like this. I actually like this idea. I think that'll be it for today, guys. Wait, what was this from? Oh, right there. But hit that like button, subscribe to Dr. Keat 100. I know that's not a real name, but it still will bring up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.